Welcome to the third tutorial on the key ideas related to targeting. Targeting is a process that helps military commanders focus their efforts and resources to achieve their objectives. It involves identifying and attacking enemy targets that are critical to the enemy's ability to resist and counterattack. In this tutorial, we will discuss the key concepts related to targeting and how they are applied in military operations.
Targeting is the process of selecting and prioritizing enemy targets for attack. The goal of targeting is to achieve the desired effects on the enemy and to support the friendly mission. Targeting is a complex and iterative process that requires intelligence, analysis, and planning.
The intelligence preparation of the operational environment, IPOE, as critical to the targeting process. IPOE as a continuous and systematic method for analyzing the enemy, weather, terrain, and other environmental factors in a geographical area to evaluate enemy capabilities and predict enemy courses of action, COA, concerning specific battlefield conditions. IPOE provides much of the information for the intelligence estimate and the targeting process, serving as the foundation for the rest of the targeting process.
During wargaming, alternative friendly COAs are analyzed regarding their impact on enemy operations and likely responses. The enemy battlefield functions that must be attacked to force the best enemy response are identified, and the best places to attack high-value targets, HVTs, in relation to the friendly COA, are identified, called Target Areas of Interest, TAIs. Wargaming also identifies HVTs in a priority that is critical to the success of the enemy mission, and the subset of HVTs that must be acquired and attacked for the friendly mission to succeed.
Target value is usually the most significant factor contributing to target payoff. However, other things to be considered include the sequence or order of appearance, the ability to detect, identify, classify, locate, and track the target, the degree of accuracy available from the acquisition system or systems, the ability to engage the target, the ability to suppress, neutralize, or destroy the target based on attack guidance, and the resources required to do all of the above.
The collection plan provides a framework that collection managers use to determine, evaluate, and satisfy intelligence needs. The dynamic collection plan should have the commander's priority intelligence requirements as its basis, help the commander see his area of interest, provide synchronized coverage of the commander's area of operations, and have a five-dimensional battlefield approach. One critical aspect of the targeting process is the Target Selection Standards, TSS. TSS are criteria applied to enemy activity, used to decide whether the activity is a target. TSS breaks nominations into two categories: targets and suspected targets. Targets meet accuracy and timeliness requirements for attack, while suspected targets must be confirmed before any attack. The TSS criteria are based on the enemy activity under consideration and the available attack systems. TSS considers the attack system's target location accuracy requirements, target location error, the enemy activity's size and status, and the information's timeliness. Different TSS may exist for a given enemy activity based on different attack systems. For example, an enemy artillery battery may have a 150-meter target location error requirement for attack by cannon artillery, and a 1-kilometer requirement for attack helicopters. The Chief Fires or Artillery Operations Staff in the Direct Support Regiment develop TSS in conjunction with the G2 and ASIC. Guidance is often provided by the division. Intelligence analysts use TSS to quickly determine targets from battlefield information and pass the targets to operations staff. The TSS is a critical component of the targeting process, ensuring that only the most valuable targets are selected and attacked, while minimizing the risk of collateral damage and unintended consequences.
In conclusion, targeting is a critical process that helps military commanders achieve their objectives. It requires a thorough understanding of the enemy, the battlefield, and the friendly mission. IPOE, wargaming, target value analysis, and collection planning are all essential components of the targeting process. By applying these key concepts, military commanders can effectively identify and attack enemy targets that are critical to the enemy's ability to resist and counterattack.